what's going on YouTube? What's going on PBT family, man? Well, it's that time of the month where your boy talk about which credit cards he's carrying in his wallet for the month of August 2023. I can tell y'all, man, I've used a lot of my points and miles. I've been traveling. In May, I was in San Diego. In June, I was in Miami. Then I went on the 𝗪𝗧𝗏 cruise, and I was in the Bahamas. Then I came back to Miami. July, I decided to fly out to the West Coast, hang out a little bit there. And your boy got to get his points back, man. My points are almost at zero. So in this video, what I want to do is show you how I plan on surging and getting my points back. Hey, welcome to Points Play Travel, everyone. My name is Rod, and on this channel, we talk about credit. We talk about credit cards. We talk about earning points, miles, cash back, and how to travel around the world or around the country for little or no money out of your pocket. If there's something you're interested in, do your boy a favor. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so. Give the video a thumbs up. Hit that like button. Share the channel with your family and friends. Share it on your social media platforms. Also, make sure you do me a favor. Check out my various links down in the description for things like my FICO or various credit card offers. And with all that being said, you know what time it is. Let's roll, baby. All right, we ain't gonna waste no time, baby. Your boy got to get into it, man. And I tell you, I am running a 10-card setup this month. 10 cards. I typically run 8 cards. I think I went up to 11 before. But first card in the wallet that I'm going to be using is my Barclays Business Advantage Aviator card. And with this card, I'm going to be using this card for cell phone bills and my cable bill, man. I get 2 times the points for every dollar spent there. And I'm also going to be using it in various other locations because I am really trying my best to get gold elite status with American Airlines. You know, when I was leaving the West Coast, coming back to Dallas, I went to this line and they were like, yo, this is for priority. I was like, well, what's considered priority? Are you gold elite status? Nope. Are you flying first class? Nope. I'm flying main cabin. Well, you're in the wrong line. You got to go way down the way. And I was like, oh, hell no. I got to get this. I got to get this right. Next card in the wallet is a card that I haven't used in a long time. And that is my U.S. Bank Cash Plus card. As you can see, this card here is vertical. And I'm going to be using this card to pay my utilities because I will get 5% cash back on utilities such as electricity, gas, water. And I'm really looking forward to that because I spent some money since I've been traveling, y'all. I got the hotels for free. I flew for free, but I spent a lot of money since I've been going. So that's going to help me recuperate my cash that I use to travel. Next in the wallet, and I got to be careful how I hold this card because it's got one of the few cards that's got the numbers still on the front. And that is my American Express Hilton Surpass card, baby. It's in the wallet, August 2023. I'm getting 6 times the points at grocery stores, 6 times the points at restaurants, 6 times the points at gas stations. And I received a text message today from one of my pretty much my best friend. And he only needed like 13,000 points to get to diamond status, and I needed 111,000 points. I'm like, yo, I'm slipping on the banana peel. So that card is in the wallet because I do need to recuperate. Is that a word? I need to recoup some of my points from the Hilton stay that I did in Miami back in June. I stayed at the Hilton prior to the 𝗪𝗧𝗏 cruise, stayed at the Hilton after the 𝗪𝗧𝗏 cruise, so I need to get those points back. Next in the wallet, this card here is a beast, baby, a beast, a monster. And that is my Chase Freedom Flex card, baby. 5 times the points of 5% cash back, however you want to look at it. Right now at gas stations, and gas stations is not just gas, it's whatever you decide to get in the gas station. Slurpees, Cheetos, water, Fritos, ice, whatever you decide to get in a gas station, gas, 5 times the points for every dollar spent. And I am burning a hole in that card, man. The next card, and it's kind of going to seem like a duplicate, but I have to be a little smarter than the average bear. What's one of my favorite words? Options is my favorite word. As you can see, I got 10 different cards, so I have options. But I also like to be smarter than the average bear. The next card in my wallet is the Discover It. And yes, this card doesn't look like the normal Discover card. It will have the initials RT on it, which are my initials. Anybody can get it. I'm not special. But you will get 5% cash back at gas stations. So I'm going to use this card sparingly just to be able to get 5% cash back. And one thing I'm doing, and I'm going to talk about this probably at the end of this video, is why I'm putting some cashback cards in my arsenal this month. Next card in the wallet. It's been out of the wallet, and this is my favorite credit card, but it's been out of the wallet. And that is the American Express Gold Card, baby. I'm going to be using this card at restaurants sparingly because I have another card that I'm going to talk about. But I'm going to be using it at grocery stores because I will get 4 times the points for every dollar spent at grocery stores. 4 times the points, whether I get some juice or granola bars or a steak, wine, whatever I get at Kroger, and Kroger is my favorite grocery store, I'm getting 4 times the points for every dollar spent. Next in the wallet, and I have to keep grinding with this card and with the Chase Freedom Flex card and with the Chase Freedom Unlimited card. But the next card in my wallet is my Chase Sapphire Preferred card because I'm going to get 3 times the points for every dollar spent at restaurants, 3 times the points for every dollar spent at drugstores, and 1 times the point everywhere else. I'm not going to use it everywhere else because I have a card coming up that I'm going to talk about, my everywhere else card. But 3 times the points every time I eat. Notice I said the gold card is going to be used at restaurants, and I'm going to probably primarily use the Chase Sapphire Preferred card more so than the American Express Gold card because I'm able to purchase American Airlines flights with the Chase Ultimate Rewards travel portal, and I'm really on a mission, man. And that's why I have the Advantage Business Aviator card in my wallet. I'm on a mission to hit Gold Elite status. Next in the wallet, when it comes to grocery stores, I have the gold card where I'm getting 4 times the points. But I need some cash back, man. Since your boy been traveling, I've been spending a lot of money, man. A lot of money. And when I went to the West Coast, the person I went to visit would say, hey, did you realize you just spent this and this? Yeah. And the next card in the wallet is the City Custom Cash card where I'm earning 5% cash back at grocery stores, baby, 5% cash back. And with this cash back, what I typically do, and I've made a new move, which I'm going to talk about. I got one more card, and then when I get to the last card, I'm going to talk about the move that I've made. But 5% cash back, man, 5% cash back at grocery stores. Next card in my wallet is not going to get that much play, but it is in the wallet, and that is my Chase Freedom Unlimited card, where I will get 1.5% cash back or 1.5 times the points on every dollar spent on non-bonus categories. I can get 3 times the points at restaurants, 3 times the points at not restaurant, 3 times the points at drugstores, but I'm going to be using this for non-bonus spend. The last card in the wallet, and this card here has fueled a bunch of conversation throughout this video because I've decided to move my travel crypto over to PayPal. I've moved my travel crypto from Robinhood and Coinbase over to PayPal. And the last card in the wallet is my PayPal MasterCard, PayPal Cash Rewards card. Now, if you make purchases with any vendor that you use, you will get 3% cash back. But with me, I just typically use it for non-bonus categories, and I get 2% cash back on that card. And I am taking every dollar spent on that card, and I'm putting into crypto, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash. And when I get ready to travel again, which is going to be very soon, stay tuned for more vlogs, videos, shorts, live streams with that. But I'm telling you right now, this card is a beast, and I need to do it. I'm going to do a separate video on this card. No annual fee. No annual fee. 2% cash back on every purchase. And I'm going to, matter of fact, let me do one last thing real quick. And I didn't do Chase Freedom Unlimited. No annual fee. City Custom Cash, 5% cash back on various purchases. I'm using at grocery stores, no annual fee. Chase Sapphire Preferred, $95 annual fee, a beast of a card. American Express Gold Card, $250 annual fee, a beast of a card. Discover It Card, another beast, no annual fee. Chase Freedom Flex, no annual fee. Hilton Surpass Card, $95 annual fee. U.S. Bank Cash Plus, no annual fee. And my Advantage Aviator Business Card from Barclays, American Airlines, $99 annual fee. Yo, I'm running a heck of a lineup this month. But more importantly, I want to hear, what are you rolling with this month? What are y'all rolling with? What cards are you carrying in your wallet? Because y'all may spark something that I'm not even thinking about. And your boy is always about maximizing opportunities. What's my favorite word? Options, baby. And with all that being said, do me a favor if you haven't already done so. Subscribe to the channel. Give a video a thumbs up. Share it with your family and friends. Share it on your social media platforms. And as I end each and every video, shoot for the moon. If you don't make it, you'll be amongst the stars. I can guarantee you. I will be coming at you soon, dropping more heat, dropping more fire, more importantly, dropping more knowledge. And until the next time, you know what time it is. Peace.